In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your very first WordPress website, step by step, even if you have absolutely no experience. WordPress is one of the most popular website builders in the world, and by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to get your site online, choose a domain, and complete the setup process confidently. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, small business owners, bloggers, or anyone starting their first website in 2026. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, you'll want to log in to your WordPress account. After signing in, you'll be taken directly to your WordPress dashboard. This is the main control center for your website, where you'll manage everything from pages and posts to design and settings. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, because you'll be spending a lot of time here as you build and grow your site. Next, from the dashboard, look for the option that says Add New Site. Go ahead and click on it. This is where WordPress begins guiding you through the process of creating a brand new website. WordPress uses a simple onboarding flow, so just follow along step by step. Now you'll be asked to choose a domain name for your website. This is the web address people will type into their browser to find your site. In the domain search box, type in a specific domain name that represents your brand, business, or personal project. Try to keep it short, clear, and easy to remember. Once you've typed in your desired domain, click on Search Domains. WordPress will now show you a list of available domain options. Look through the results and find the domain that works best for you. When you see the one you want, click on it to select it. If your first choice isn't available, don't worry. You can slightly adjust the name or try a different extension until you find a good match. After selecting your domain, click on Continue. At this stage, WordPress will move you forward in the setup process and prepare your site for launch. This is where everything starts coming together. Next, you'll see information about WordPress plans. To use a custom domain, WordPress requires a paid plan. Go ahead and review the plan options shown on the screen. Once you reach this step, you've successfully learned how to create your first WordPress website and understand how the setup process works from start to finish. From here, you can continue by choosing a plan, customizing your site design, adding pages, and publishing content whenever you're ready. WordPress makes it easy to expand and improve your site over time. And that's it. You've now learned how to create your first WordPress website step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more beginner-friendly website and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.